Hello student, today I am going to derive the relation between average or mean value and peak value of AC. As we know, alternating current varies continuously with time. Its effect is measured by defining either the mean value or average value of AC or by defining root mean square value or partial value of AC. Now, what is called mean or average value of alternating current? Mean or average value of alternating current is that value of steady current which sends the same amount of charge through a circuit in a certain time interval as is sent by an alternating current through the same circuit in half cycle. We know that the instantaneous value of AC in a circuit is given by I equal to I naught sine of omega t. The charge sent by the current I in time dt is given by dq equal to I dt. I value is I naught sine omega t. We are putting the value I naught sine omega t instead of I naught sine of omega t. Since I equal to dq by dt, so dq equal to we can write I dt. Therefore, the charge sent by AC in the first half cycle, that is limits t equal to 0 to t equal to t by calculated t by 2 is q equal to integration of dq. We are integrating above equation dt. dq I dt, I naught sine omega t dt. dt was missing. So therefore, integrating above equation q equal to integration dq zero to t by 2 I naught sine of omega t dt. q equal to I naught taking outside the integration 0 to t by 2 sine of omega t dt. Integration of sine of omega t, as you know, this is the formula sine of mx dx equal to minus cos of mx by m. We are using this formula q equal to I naught minus cos of omega t by omega, lower limit 0, upper limit t by 2. Now we are taking out omega outside the bracket, so it becomes and minus and also minus I naught omega. Now putting upper limit cos of omega t by 2 minus cos of omega, lower limit is 0, 0. Q equal to minus, as we know omega is 2 pi by calculated t, we are putting 2 pi by calculated t. Here also omega 2 pi by calculated t, t by 2 minus cos of 0, cos 0, this value is 1, t cancel, 2 cancel, minus I naught, t will go upside, I naught t by 2 pi, cos of pi, cos pi is minus 1, that is equal to minus minus plus I naught t by 2 pi into 2, 2 cancel, q equal to I naught t by pi. This is equation number 1. Let IAV be the mean value of AC over positive half cycle, then charge sent by it in time t by 2 seconds is given by Q equal to IAV by t by 2. Equation number 2. Since you know I equal to Q by t, Q equal to IT. Here time period is calculated t by 2, t equal to calculated t by 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we get IAV into t by 2 equal to I naught calculated t by pi. So calculated t cancel, IAV equal to 2 I naught by pi. 2 by pi value is 3.14. If we divide, it becomes 0.63. 2 by 3.14 is equal to 0.637 I naught, or IAV equal to, if you write in terms of percentage, 63.7% of peak value I naught. Therefore mean value of an AC over half cycle is 63.7% of its peak value. Thank you.